Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be telling you about how to calculate 17% of any price. So let's start. Let's suppose we have a product and the price of that product is $14,000. So first of all, I will write 14,000. Then I will press the multiplication sign. After that, I will press the percentage, that is 17. Then I will press the percentage sign. After this, I will press the minus sign. And then I will press the equal to sign. So this is my answer, 11,620. This is the price after 17% discount. Now let's do another example. Let's suppose we have another item and the price of that item is $25,000. So now we have to calculate 17% discount on it. So first of all, I will press the multiplication button. Then I will press 17. After this, I will press the percentage sign. Next step is to press the minus sign. And after this, I will press the equal to sign. So this is my answer, 20,750, the discounted price of after 17%. So this is how you can calculate 17% off on any price. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.